Hey everyone! Today, we're discussing 5 facts showing why pig farming is a game changer. Pig farming is fast becoming a lucrative sector within agribusiness. Here's key reasons why it's a powerful opportunity for anyone looking to diversify or enter the agriculture industry. 1. High reproductive rate. Pigs have a quick and high reproductive rate, allowing farmers to expand their herd rapidly. A single sow can produce 10-12 piglets per litter and may give birth twice a year, meaning you can multiply your stock quickly and with relatively low initial costs. 2. Efficient feed conversion. Pigs are among the most efficient animals at converting feed into body mass, often needing less feed to reach market weight compared to other livestock. This efficiency not only saves on feed costs but also means pigs reach maturity faster, allowing for quicker returns on investment. 3. Strong demand and versatile market. Pork is one of the most widely consumed meats worldwide, making pig farming a reliable income source. Additionally, pigs produce various marketable products beyond meat, such as fat, lard, hide, used in leather production, and other byproducts that add further revenue streams. 4. Adaptable to small and large-scale operations. Pig farming can be scaled to fit both small and large operations, making it accessible for different budgets and land sizes. Smallholders can raise a few pigs for local markets, while larger farms can cater to more extensive markets with significant profit potential. 5. Potential for value-added products. The pork industry offers room for creating value-added products like bacon, sausage, ham, and packaged pork, which often sell at higher prices. With added processing, farmers can capture a more significant share of the market, making pig farming not just about livestock but also about agro-processing and product development. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips and innovations. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn and X by the name 𝗙𝗥𝗢𝗙𝗧𝗦.